Hello, everyone. I'm Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent, and I want to let you know about a Safe Recipes contest. The Partnership for Food Safety Education has a contest. It is a 30-minute meals safe recipe contest, and it's going on for the next 2 months with the contest deadline August 17th. So, you've probably been spending more time at home like the rest of us, and you've probably had time to perfect that recipe. And we want to know how you did that. And we want to make sure that you're following food safety guidelines. So you might ask what a safe recipe is. Well, it incorporates basic food safety steps so that no matter who's using that recipe, they're going to reduce the risk of food poisoning. They do have a safe recipe style guide on their website that will walk you through actually how to write your recipe. It could include things like making sure that you include the temperature that the meat needs to be cooked to. It could be that you put in a piece about after you break the eggs, you go wash your hands. It could be making sure that you mention something about doing this, then cleaning your cutting board before you prepare the salad after you've cut your raw chicken. So, just some of these little things that hopefully you're doing anyway, and you're helping promote food safety, but actually writing that in your recipe. And they want a photograph as well of your recipe, and they have an actual submission page that you can fill out and submit. The prizes are they have four different categories with different ages and stuff like that, and you will win some money, as well as your winning recipe will be featured in their cookbook that they have. And they're going to have judges choose a grand prize winner out of all the different categories that is going to get a lot of nice prizes, including $100 cash prizes. Again, your recipe included in the online cookbook, and even having it developed into a food video that they will promote on their website. So if you're interested in this, just go to the fightback.org website or Google 30-minute meals safe recipe contest. Thanks for tuning in.